दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर पर्यटकांक गोंयांत तयार केल्लें खाण गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकांक मेळचें म्हूण केंद्र सरकारान विमानतळ प्राधिकरणाच्या मदतीन विमानतळाचेर जिओग्राफिकल इंडिकेशनाचें उक्तावण केलां. उक्तावणाक सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू, गोंयचो पर्यटन मंत्री बाबू आजगांवकार, पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिन्हो, मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय आनी हेर मानेस्त आसले.
Under the international treaty. So once a product is registered as geographical indication, this product cannot be copied by somebody. For example, if you remember, many countries in the world make what you call it as sparkling wine. But no country can say that it is champagne, because champagne means it has to come only from not only entire France, very small geographical area of France. Just imagine, when you say mango, all mangoes are look like mango. But if you say Goa mango, it must carry a premium. So there I cannot go to Nagaland or somewhere else and say I am planting Goa mango. I can never claim that, because using the name Goa mango when it is registered as a GI product will attract energy. So therefore, this is a very good development. All the local producers are going to benefit from it. So it's a very good beginning. I really thank each one of you for being here. The first and not the last beginning of it. And even Mrs. Sardesai and Shiraz NGO and doing self-help group. So all the products now will find place in Saraswat. All the best to you. Thank you, Mr. Advokar, for being representing the government. And I can promise you one thing, we together, we have got 5,000 crores for service sector. I request you to please send a proposal so that we would like to promote service sector in Goa by using part of this money for promoting services in Goa. So all the best to you. Thank you very much.